Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about our planet on the World Environment Day. Without any further ado, let's jump right into it. From sky-high mountains to flat grasslands, from lifeless deserts to vibrant rainforests, from the northern tundras to the southern tundras. This is our planet. Our environment is based on our ecosystem, which is basically the group of organisms working together to make each other's lives easier. Now, basically the ecosystem relies on the food chain, which is, for example, the plants take up the energy from the sun and make their own food through photosynthesis, which is then eaten by an herbivorous animal or the prey, like this cute little rabbit here, which is then further eaten up by this fox. And then when the fox dies, there are the microorganisms who then eat up this fox and then it decomposes back into the soil. And the cycle repeats itself again. And now the human activities are interfering with our ecosystem, which is taking the shape of a catastrophe, which is certainly not good. And hence, our generation is the generation of restoration. But first of all, let's have a look at the human activities and the results on our ecosystem. So, the primary unit from which we are getting our food and the food chain runs are the plants, or usually the trees. The human activities are reducing the number of trees exponentially, which is overall affecting the whole food chain and ultimately the ecosystem. Now, think about this. If the herbivore can't eat and it dies, what is the carnivore gonna eat? And everything above the food chain. Everything above in the food chain. Just imagine about it. So that's that. But other types of human activities are harming our environment in different ways. From land pollution to soil pollution, then water pollution and whatnot pollution. These all are ultimately affecting our ecosystem, and we must preserve it because it is what is keeping us and every single organism on this planet alive. And hence, here is our generation, yet again, for restoration. We must restore our ecosystem and help our future generations and our own generation through the restoration of our ecosystem and overall environment. We must save paper, we must save water, we must save energy. We must do everything in our power to save our planet because there is no other planet. We must preserve what we have been given and we must restore our future generations' environment. And let us rebuild what has been destroyed in the past years. And this is the generation of restoration.